To do a ASCII export of all of your tools within your tool list, go into Input dropdown, Tools, and you will see a full list of your tools. Select the upper left-hand blank box next to number. If you click on that, it will turn everything red. All of your tools are now selected and red. Do an ASCII export, and it will go into this, automatically go into this file folder. For the example I'm doing right now, I want it to go into a different folder. I want to put it into a test ASCII export folder. And I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to tell it this is a tool backup. And I'm also going to give it today's date. All right. And I say save. And all of my tools will be backed up into that file folder. If I look at that file folder right now, I can see I have my tool backup that I just created. Now I can email that or put it on a thumb drive and use it elsewhere. Thanks for your time.